Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching. Actually, this is Dukas Copy Academy now. We have changed the name. Sorry. Um, you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 28th of February 2024. The day is Wednesday. I'm a Dukas Copy is a trading community member. Kindly do not confuse me as their employee. I'm not their employee. Therefore, whatever I'm going to tell you here in this live stream, it is my own view, my own idea, and please do not confuse it as the research of Dukas Copy. It is not okay. And as a technical analyst, I know that everything is already priced into the chart, so I will refrain from saying anything that is fundamental in nature, and will stick to only discussing the price action using the candlestick type of charts. And while doing so, I'll be trying to find out the key levels, and will also find the bias, which is the daily bias as of now, and you can ascertain how you want to trade them. And using those keys levels, if you spot some trade, that is always good, because you want to go with the market direction, which is up or right, and bearish or bullish, whatever we can ascertain. I would request you to keep these levels on your chart so that you can take a good advantage of them. It is not a trading advice, it is just a video for your information. So please do not take it as a trading advice, and do your own research before you put your money on the line. I will also be taking the questions from the viewers at the end of the session, so please keep your questions also, so that you can have some interaction with me at the end of the session. Before we begin, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer. All right, first things first, I want to show you the dollar index, but I also wanted to give you this a glimpse of Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin rise. Can you see that? We had asked for 59,235 yesterday, and now it is giving us 62,731. Anyways, so now coming back to the dollar index. This is the daily chart of the US dollar index, and we had ascertained that the bias will remain bearish till the time the price is trading below 104.15. Now today the price has gone higher, and now it has again come back. It is really very difficult to ascertain which direction the price is going to go, because it has made a long wick to the downside, it has made a long wick to the upside. So there's big uncertainty developing here. But from the recent price action, it suggests that 103.21 and 102.75 is also exposed in this market. So I'll be rather curious now in this market, okay, as to what is going to happen. But I think now today's high can be seen as the resistance, that is 104.19, and the low of 22nd February, that is 103.21, can be seen as the low. And I'm not able to see there where the price is going. So the dollar index has gone into a territory where it is uncertain so as to what is going to happen. You see, this was the high that you're expecting the price not to break, but that is broken. So I don't know what is going to happen next. So we will see how the things unfold. For the pound, we have seen the low. I mean, we were expecting this price action, but after this price action, there has been a sudden buying. You can see that this buying cannot continue if the price has to go as we had. Price gives a green candle tomorrow or day after, then we can certainly expect the price to break this bearish bias and go beyond 1.2775. On the other hand, if the bias remains bearish, then there is a possibility for the price to touch 1.2500. But in any case, right now it is not suggested to go for the sell, because the price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and this may be a higher low in the formation to make a higher high, which is close to 1.2775. So keep these levels on your charts, and let's see how the things unfold in the future. Australian dollar, there was a clean breakdown to the downside. This was not expected. Actually, we were looking for the price to find some support here. Well, the support may occur now also, but as of now there is no support for the price. It is going down and down only, and it has even breached this low of 16th of February. Now the next low is of the 15th February, which is around 0.6478, and that is not very far. It is only 20 points from here. So let's see how the things unfold in this one tomorrow. my anticipation is still here like this. Why? Because the price broke this high and thereafter it has to make some low. But if it goes below 0.6478, then I think that will not be a buying market. We will below that point. New Zealand dollar also has given up. It has again entered in the triangle, although we were expecting this area to act as a support, and that is not acting as a support, which means that 0.6038 is exposed now in this market. On the upside, the resistance can be seen around 0.6174, and actually not this level. Now this is the level that you should be seeing as a resistance. So 0.603 is a rise. The price has come within the channel again. The next quick resistance is 1.3620. After that, we can see 1.3978 in this market. On the downside, if we start going down, then this dynamic support is being given by the channel lines. On the downside, we also have a support around 1.3413. USD JPY, very nice up move. The price is trying to take support on this channel's support line. Guys, I had stopped the stream. I mean, I had stopped speaking after seeing that there is a disconnection in the network, so I just stopped it. But I have resumed now. I hope you are able to see me. USD JPY, I was talking about that there is a possibility of going towards 151.91, and if the price breaks below, then 148.92 and 145.89 will be exposed in this market. Talking about the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian, we were expecting this level to act as a support, but because New Zealand dollar is going into dustbin, so I think this will come back again towards 0.8152 and later 0.8105, like that. To my friends, if you have any questions at any point of time, you can ask me in the chat box. If you carefully look at this price action from this high, the price made this low and thereafter it made this high. So this is a relevant high actually. If the price breaks below 0.8188, then we can be certain that this market is going to go south or the downwards, right? Talking about the Bitcoin is on the source. 63,018 is the current price. I think that is also the high. 63036 is the high, and it will keep soaring because now there is no upside to it. You see, we don't have the previous levels, only 69,035, 63,000. So that is the next level of resistance now. Sorry, I thought that there is no next level. I'm sorry. So this is the next level, 69,035. And I think if not today, then maybe tomorrow that level will be tested because the price is on the move. Wow, there's a breakout to the upside with huge volumes. Let's see. Okay, so the price is on the rise. 69,035 is the level that we are looking for in this market. Well, if it starts going down, then 59,235 may offer some support to the price. You see how fast it is going. It is going 63,100. It has just rose $100 right in front of you in 10 to 20 or to 30 seconds. Now it is 200, 300, it is 400, 63,400, 63,500. Come on. It's so nice to see this price, but yes, we are not going to take it because the price has already shooted up. 69,035 is what I'm looking for, the next resistance anyways. So what about the Brent? Well, Brent is consolidating over there. It may come down, but even if it goes up, 83.68 is the immediate resistance. Later on it can find some resistance around 83.98. actually this is the decisive high that we should be looking at. 84.39 is 84.62. that is the ultimate resistance which I should be looking at. Okay, on the downside we have the dynamic support being provided by this slant line, and also if you want to take the horizontal level, then the first horizontal level that you should keep an eye on is the 76.66 on the downside. Talking about gold, we are not trading this market because it is not going anywhere, although in the longer run I am expecting the price to come back to 1931 so that the buyers have some interest in buying this market with a target of 2146 and 2188. But right now I have no interest in buying this market as it is not giving me any opportunity to make some money. It is going nowhere. Talking about the Japanese index, this is a pullback. This pullback, as soon as this pullback is over, we can look for buying the Japanese index. And I think on the 2 hour or on the 4 hour, you can expect the breakout very soon. And the breakout will be confirmed when you see that this falling channel's resistance line is broken to the upside. And that is what I'm expecting to happen around 38,868 levels. All right, guys, so that is what I'm expecting. Exactly what I'm expecting. I'm expecting something like this actually. And what will be your buying area? This will be your buying area, this will be your stop loss, and your take profit target will be this high first. This. All right, that's all guys from my side. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me that question. I'll be very happy to answer you. And this is the pain. I'm very bearish on this particular chart. Very bearish. I don't know what it is, but I am bearish. You see, look at this price action. The price action is suggesting that this market is going for dustbin, and any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. Okay, so 26, 25, any target you can take on that. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the chat box, or I will be just getting out from this webinar. And by the way, if you can touch base with me, if you can ask, if you want to ask personal questions like how to do trading and all that, you can ask me in the chat on my Skype handle, which is right now in front of you. And I hope you found this webinar useful for you. If that is the case, then I must also tell you that you know the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section. If you have any suggestions how I can make this webinar better for you, what more information do you need? I cannot provide you any fundamental information, but yes, for charts, for technical analysis, I can give you information. Okay, so please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment sections like I said after the video is published, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you are new here. And have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to touch base with me, if you want to get connected with me, you can write me on @miasoldier123. I'm on Skype, and also you can subscribe my other channel Bulls and Bears on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.